There are a number of different ways to access Chicago's Montrose Harbor area of the northern shoreline of Lake Michigan. My personal favorite is the pedestrian underpass at West Buena Avenue and Marine Drive in the Buena Park neighborhood, just south of Uptown. Its beautifully landscaped entrance, complete with a water fountain, opens up upon the Peace Garden. The Peace Garden is an especially tranquil, tiered garden space with statues, a waterfall pond, and perennial flowers. Walking northeast, you reach the Lakefront Trail, and alongside that, the Sidney Maravitz 9-hole golf course to the east. The natural area to the north is the Bird and Butterfly Sanctuary, with both paved and mulch pathways leading to the lake. A notable feature of the Montrose Harbor area of Lincoln Park are its distinctive bridges. Backtracking to the bird and butterfly paths, you come upon Montrose Harbor itself in all its majesty. On any given day, you'll see all sizes of sailboats, yachts, kayaks, and even paddleboards coasting between the twin lighthouses and out into the lake. Alongside the harbor are numerous benches and shaded patches of grass to sit down upon and take in the serenity. Most summer days, there are sailing classes taking place for all ages of sailing enthusiasts. There's even a yacht club. Across the harbor to the east is a large grassy area for picnics, sunbathing, and gorgeous views of boats as they head out into the vast blue waters of Lake Michigan. Concrete steps at the water's edge can get especially crowded with fishermen, sunbathers, and an occasional ice cream cart on weekends and holidays. The skyline is visible through the haze far off to the south. Just northeast is Montrose Point, but before we get to that, we pass through the Montrose Point Bird Sanctuary, a natural wooded area restored to provide refuge and harbor for many migratory bird species, as well as squirrels, chipmunks, and more. The edge of the wooded area is known as the Magic Hedge by most birders. It's said that this is one row of bushes that attracts over 300 species of birds. Montrose Point is a concrete jetty that juts out into the lake, giving views far north towards Evanston and far south to Navy Pier. The protected sandy scrub area before you reach the public beach is a designated nesting ground for the piping plover. Very few plovers remain in the area nowadays, and conservation efforts are underway to reverse their decline. Montrose Beach is quite vast. The beach house, located at the southern edge, offers amenities such as restrooms, equipment rentals, and a concession stand. Just north of the beach house is the dock, which offers food, drinks, and free live music. Besides the usual beach activities, Montrose Beach has a number of volleyball courts as well. At the northmost corner of the beach is another public restroom. The beach then splits off and forms a separate beach just for four-legged beachgoers to enjoy. Montrose Dog Beach is an expansive, fully enclosed stretch of lakefront where dogs and dog lovers can run, swim, and play together. There are even dog wash stations at the exit. exiting the dog beach, you pass beneath another beautiful bridge that leads to ball fields and the skate park. Just southwest of the skate park are two large soccer fields and a full running track, and the area's only sledding hill far off in the distance. Between the soccer fields is an enclosed picnic gazebo with restroom facilities and one of the park's two playgrounds. The biking and running trails run the length of the lakefront and skirt the golf course's western edge. Crossing the Irving Park Road entrance, you'll find the Maury Mages Playground, and a number of public tennis courts. Just off the 9th green of the golf course is the Clock Tower Cafe and its back patio. The once abandoned 90-year-old clock tower building at the end of Waveland Avenue now houses public restrooms, the Golf Pro Shop, and First Tee, a new youth golfing development and training facility. Just east is a beautiful stretch of the lakefront. Heading west to the tower, you'll find more ball fields, a tennis academy, bike repair shop, and a sometimes open taco stand. As we complete our journey at the Addison Street underpass and Guanusila, or in English, the Thundermaker Totem Pole.